I'm renting this no-till seeder. Just wanted to share my experience of running it. It's been really slick after you get it dialed in. We've got dual sets of hydraulics running off an 80-horse tractor. The first set of hydraulics runs these tires right here on the outside, and the hydraulic rams are pulled in all the way that set your seeding depth. So these rollers, they're all just touching the ground right here, and they're all engaged. They're rolling across the ground perfectly. There's a little slop in all these chains showing that they're sitting right on top of the ground. And then here's your coulters that you can't really see it because of the grass, but we're just barely cutting in. And then your rollers in the back that are sealing up the hole as best they can. That's where our seed drops down through these tubes. Our hydraulic ram is sucked in all the way, setting our depth. We're gonna shoot for about 25 pounds an acre. I'm told that this setting right here, number 4, at this position on the seeder is 25 pounds an acre. I find that to be a little light. I think it's more like 15 pounds an acre, because as you can see, when you open this little thing, this opens your window to put more seed out. So this is my first time running it. In this field, I want to get a little heavier seed, so I'm going to adjust this up for this field. Why don't you take a ride with us while we get some seeding done and hopefully make a bumper crop for next year. My perspective from the tractor, when I lift the machine and drop it back down. So I'll activate the back hydraulics and lift her up. I'll bring the drive wheel on the right off of the ground and we'll stop seeding, and then I can maneuver back into a position, and I just, while I'm underway, I just drop her right back down. And I'm looking for that back right tire. Well, here we are 5 months later. We went from planting seed in September, catching some rain, and riding out our germination through the fall, and things went dormant through the winter, and here we are in February, and we're looking at grass that has sprouted. So what we're looking at here is a bunch of grass. Go figure, huh? But if you can tell, there's a row coming right through here of some taller material than the stuff over here. Right here's another row from that seed disc, and then over here heading straight out. The grass in between is our what we grow as a red top. It's a creeping bent grass hay. This grass is something else that's natural around here, but here's our new seed coming up, our new grass that we planted last year. I don't know what kind of types these are. They're all different. There's some dollar bills. Oh look, there's a few more. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, huh? Yeah. This is a weird oddity. I don't know what this is. Center of the field. Looks like a sinkhole. Could be some kind of den. I got no idea. It doesn't look like we got any fresh tracks. Here's another good telltale sign that our seed disc really did a good job getting seed in the ground. All this stuff, it's difficult to see, but there it is. An old cow patty with seed planted straight in a row. Oh, good grass, good grass. Grow for us, grow. Well, that's it for our no-till seeding. Hopefully we get some tonnage off of this. We'll captivate that in our other videos. Thanks for coming along, and have a good one.